How to read Edward Jones statements. Follow these instructions. Log into edwardjones.com or the app and go to Documents to view your latest account statements. Start with the Account Summary to see your total portfolio value, gains, losses, and recent activity. Check the Holdings section for a breakdown of all your investments, including quantity, value, and cost basis. Review Asset Allocation to see how your portfolio is diversified across stocks, bonds, and other assets. Look at the Performance section to track your returns over time versus benchmarks or goals. Go to the Transaction History to view trades, dividends, contributions, and withdrawals. Contact your Edward Jones advisor for help if anything on the statement is unclear or needs explanation. Thank you for watching.